is a period, and you put it where you write so you can take a picture. No, so you can learn.
Where do you put a period?
Where you write, and you take a deep breath, and
It ends the sentence, right?
no, and you put the period, you draw some stuff, and then where you write is where you put the period.
So I think try to play that version.
We're fixing to clean this grout. This is the before shot.
We're on my way today.
We are done with the floor. Your
Praise
face
the
red.
Lord.
Is your face red?
Oh no, I
No.
doubt it. Yours
Mine
is.
is bad. All right, here's the after shot. Woo-hoo!
I believe that's the paper towel there.
I heard that you've been having some trouble finding your place in the world. I know how much that hurts, but if you need a friend, then please just say the word.